Fred, you think I don't know that you and the caretaker will eat money from the drinks I gave you to buy? Of course, because there is no way that would have been 50,000 naira drink.
Oh no, come on, Carol. What can you think like that? You know I can't cheat you. God forbid. Is it because of what that Atemo said? No, you know that guy is jealous because you didn't ask him to get those drinks. I'm an integrity man. I'm a man of integrity. Huh?
Well,
don't think like that.
I just want to let you know that I know what happened. I am not ignorant of it.
You should trust me by now. You know me. You know I got you. I got you. I got my eyes on you.
Hello, baby. Yes, honey. You're outside.
I am here. And a man is calling her for acting. She's even calling him baby. No problem. Women like money a lot. I will surely make money. And this Carol will not escape me. Last, I must chop my own.
So you're outside. Okay, I'm coming. I Fred. I'm leaving. Get it, let's see. Why are you sitting like you don't want to? Do you want me to leave you in my room? Let's go.
Everybody blood the hot.
Where?
Everybody eye the shine.
Who did this nonsense?
Huh?
How can you poo-poo in somebody's compound without flushing? Who did that nonsense here? Hello, who is there?
And if
No,
you
whatever.
know for trouble,
Illicit attitude is this one.
if you know
In somebody...
Oh
What type of rubbish is this one? What is going on in this compound? No, let me tell you people, see all of you, eh? The person that did this thing, whoever did this nonsense, eh? Let me just tell you, you have broken the tenancy agreement of the Federal Republic. This thing is punishable by law. You will not go scot-free. Whoever did this nonsense inside this toilet. Let me just, you just see what will happen now. What the heck? No, what rubbish? Can you afford a house like this? Yeah, we are joking. This joke is too much now. Stupid people. Very nonchalant set of people. Carol!
Who's that?
Come outside, or see who is that. Come outside. It's your landlord.
Who is that, please? Who?
It's your landlord. Come out.
Oh, caretaker.
I don't understand. What's that? What in the... Oh, caretaker. Who is your caretaker?
You.
Me? Are you okay? Wait, you don't ever see the landlord of this house before? Do you know the landlord? Did the landlord give you this house that you are staying? Did the landlord give you this house?
I'm sorry, Mr. Landlord. How may I help you?
Stop that rubbish. I've warned you in this compound. Stop calling me caretaker. I am just like the landlord. Nothing, no difference. All these things where they do, you reduce it. I'm warning you now. Madam, who went to that toilet and messed up the toilet without flushing it?
Mess up? Do you mean excrete?
Ice cream. It can be ice cream.
I mean excreta.
Madam, who shit for the toilet, the compound toilet? Who shit there without flushing? You are saying ice cream. What is ice cream?
Landlord, look at me. Do I look like those girls who mess around the whole compound? I'm not that dirty. I don't do such.
You're not for face now. You don't look like them for face now. Shebi, your face is fine now. People like you are not even supposed to be in this room. Your likes are in Lekki, some are in Abuja, chilling. They live life, they enjoy money. See where you are, you catch here, they do big girl where we know they even see the thing where they come out inside the big girl. What's wrong with you? Madam, who shits for that toilet without flushing and you are saying I don't do this? What's this one?
Mr. Landlord, I can't do such. It's not me, obviously. You should ask maybe one of those your tenants. I think they will know.
It's not you, obviously.
Of course, it's not
No
me.
problem. Do you know what I'm going to do? What I'm obviously going to do? I'm going to bring 1 cup of a gala pepper, grind it, put it on top of that shit, come burn them with 2 liters of fuel. Then the nash of that person will shit that shit will give us information. Don't worry. Shebi is not you. No problem. Don't worry.
I can't mess the place up.
Don't worry.
Please, I'm too tush for this. Please don't do that.
Kai, or later, person we do that thing, you not tell at all. Which can think with this one now?
Adamu, the one wey vex me pass, my anger is that me. I know that shit is a woman shit.
Kai,
You see that shit where they cause this problem na woman shit. Because I don't stay very long. I've been here for a very, very long time to differentiate between a man shit and a woman shit.
it's him. I believe me.
Shit where 50% is dry.
Huh?
The other 50 is very watery.
How?
Not be woman shit.
I believe me. Now, woman fish they can shit. I the man waiting for this come from. We know fish they can shit. Well, later, trust me.
Adam,
Yeah?
please, I want to be extra sure. Did you shit that place?
Kai, they will tell landlord why you go ask me that kind of question. Take a very good look at me like this. I will fish that kind shit. And if it try am,
You know go fit, my brother.
how about one now?
Shebi na goro you dey chop.
Huh?
And the small kai. And nothing come out. You know if you drop that kind bomb. It's too big for you. Well done, eh?
Kai,
Let me continue the task.
hey, give us where they suspect for this kind of shit. You give us where they suspect. Which kind of shit with this one? First you go don't open your lady. They shit what ain't no good for this compound. Check it once you go up. What's with the uncle? Hey! Now these people when they chop something well good. Make I go for the caretaker look for the person. Where we there?
Adamu.
Okay, Freddy. I don't come back.
Yeah.
I don't find the work today.
Adamu. I don't waka. In fact, I know they're in position. I don't get power to answer you that question now. Yeah?
Welcome.
Understand? Road tough. Road very easy.
You mean now?
Yes. Caretaker. So when you post like this as if you did duty post. Like,
Fredo, I want to ask you. Before you left this house, did you shit in that toilet without flushing it?
gas station. What kind of question is that? I don't understand.
In fact, let me tell you in the most appropriate way. Did you defecate in that toilet without evacuating? I want to know.
What kind of question is that? I don't understand. See, you know me. I can't TV urinate without flushing.
That's what I tell him.
I can't do such a thing. Wait, did anybody do that?
Go
Without
and see.
flushing the toilet?
You have the
No, I
authorization.
can't see such thing.
No, go and see. Go and see. You are free to see.
I can't see that in this my bad and hungry mood. I don't have time for that.
Tell.
I don't have time. Be careful.
See, I tell her, say, okay, Freddy can never do such a thing.
Yes.
Trust me like trust a bank.
Yes.
I tell her, say, you know,
You trust me.
I trust you like trust a bank.
Support me.
Well, let her lie.
Because I got my eyes.
I got you my eyes on you. I tell you, okay, Freddy, I don't trust you that kind of thing. I trust her like a trust bank.
I called this meeting this minute because each and every one of you has refused to acknowledge the fact that one of you went to that our compound toilet, shit there, messed it up, and decided not to flush it. And if after this meeting, none of you decide to accept that he or she was the one that went there and messed that toilet up, I am going to fine each and every one of you 1,000 per head.
Why not tell us say you are hungry? I took my ego nini.
I'm hungry.
Yes, now. Yes.
Me hungry.
Hey! Me, I don't agree for that one. I don't agree for that one.
Anybody that did that should talk. Should talk because we don't have any money. Shishi, home and abroad.
Hey, well, let her lie. Me, I no agree for this one. I no agree. Anybody when shit that shit, make it talk her now. Because I no get one test sound where I go fail. I no get one test sound. But wait. Make everybody keep quiet to make her think something. Make everybody calm down. Calm down, make her think. Calm down, make her think. See my life. See my life. See my life. See Carol. I took come for this comfort and this girl. Any motorway I see, I will just put in my head. Any motorway I see, I go enter. I go enter Corolla. I go enter Lamborghini. I go enter Benz. I go enter anything once in a motor. I go enter inside. That's why I go to chop anything where I buy for me. Anything where I see, I go to chop. I go chop barbecue. I go lick ice cream. I go chop Thalia. I go chop beans. I go chop work. I go chop anything. Once anything where I see, I go just open. See, I'm now. I don't enter toilet. They hold my bumbo like this. And this I go open my bumbo wide open like this. I go shit waiting no good today for that toilet. That's it. Go scatter this toilet to them. See person. Toilet where I want go relax myself now. You don't enter that place. I know she can go scatter everything for me to do. This compound today, well, let's tell and I cry all of us go cry. See person, see life. They chop everything where I see. Because no me they use my money, they spend they buy them. Check the ones that come. See us around, they enter inside toilets. I don't even carry bucket, I don't even carry water, I don't carry anything. I see you go scatter everywhere. You go live on like that for us. What because no one! Hey, I go take them everywhere, boys. Make it take them everywhere, boys. Now carry here. Now you shit that shit. I stare with my 2 naked eyes. I see now carry shit down.
Hey!
No one, I shit down.
Oh, Iheme, huh?
Shit waiting no good for that talent. Now carry shit down.
Hey. So now you shit that she come here, come and keep fine face. You wicked. Carol. You see yourself. You think it is to parade yourself front and back. Confusing men everywhere. Looking for somebody else's husband to seduce. Now look at what you have done to yourself. Look at the way you have so messed yourself up.
Oh.
Shameless girl.
Oh, God.
No, just leave them. No, don't talk to them. By their shit, you shall know them. Hey. See them.
Adamu, do you know you are committing big offense for this allegation? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Okay, Freddy. Well, later, trace me like trace bank. I see her with my 2 naked eyes. Now she shit on with her bonbon. Now she open bonbon like this. I say shit on with no good that day. I see her.
Are you sure of what you are saying? Which is what the prayer?
No voice. I sure what I'm saying. Okay, trace me like trace bank. I see her with my 2 naked eyes. Nothing worth what you want to tell him. I see her. Now carry shit on.
It will over Sunday.
Go find hypo.
Go and flush it for her.
I want to
go and flush it for her.
But she not talk anything.
See one more where I take the shit. See
Hey!
See her. See what I take the shit. Now shit the food in that one.
Okay.
What did they carry shit for that place? You know good. What did they shit for that place? Well, let's tell you I know good.
A big girl that cannot flush their toilet. Is that one a big girl? Eh? Look at how shamelessly you have disgraced yourself to them. Carol. Look at how shamelessly you have disgraced yourself to them.
Madam, leave her. I thought she has tidied the place. Just leave her. Stop mocking her.
Did I talk to you? Hey! They have come to defend her. Defender of the dog. Abi? Woman rapper! Defender of the dog! Whoa! Shame on you! Carol. Nonsense!
You see that Adamu boy, eh? That boy just messed up badly. I want to teach that boy a lesson of his life that he can never forget. Look at how he was embarrassing people, talking to you in front of everybody. Talking as if he doesn't understand how manners should be. If I beat him, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his life. Next time, he will not come out and be talking anyhow, knowing fully well that somebody is there. Imagine if not that my mood wasn't okay in that meeting, I would have teach him a lesson of his life. Well, anyway, how are you feeling? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm okay. I think I just need to rest a little more and I'll be fine when I wake up.
I'm not even talking about that same woman, Mama Bose or whatever they call her. That one just came out and be running her mouth. In fact, I don't blame her. I blame the husband who just married that kind of woman and keep. It's just that I was hungry and a little bit, yeah, if not, I would have teach her a lesson of her life. So that she will understand that it's not every woman she can be talking to like that. You know what I can do now? How are you doing? Have you eaten? You know, in this condition now, you need to eat. I can help you prepare the food very well. You need to eat, relax, and you need very good solid food, which I can handle very well.
Fred, I'm okay. I'm fine. And also, thank you for always standing by me and making sure that I am okay. I see you. I appreciate.
Is that all? Is that all you have to say? I should just go like that?
What else? Were you expecting something? Or do you want to tell me something? Go ahead. It's okay. It's fine. Let me just take some rest. I'll be fine, okay?
No problem. I can join you and rest with you. Me too, I'm tired also. Because you need somebody beside you now so that anything you need to be provided.
I'm okay, Fred.
Okay. But it's fun when you're sleeping. I can find you.
Everybody blood the hot.
True, I don't like what you do today. It's special for me today. I can't forgive you easily because of what you did today. It's not good now.
What did I do? Because I say I talk through. But wait, make a estimate. If you say I need to talk through now, you get 1,000 where you want to.
It's not about the 1,000. In that aspect, you saved me because I don't get the 1,000 to pay. But it's about Carol. Why did you expose Carol in front of everybody? You should have come meet me, talk to me, or caretaker privately. Then we can sort it out. Now, you have exposed Carol in front of everybody. She's now ashamed even to talk to anybody. Even the small food she used to give me now, she's not giving me again.
Oh, this one touch me. Hey, what's my brother, yo? Dalla, do not be angry. Receive my condolence. Dalla. She make her tell me something. Well, let you know go happen again. If it happen again, I go call me for privacy. I go tell him. I no go take him for public again. Now for privacy, both of us go dey talk am.
You spoil work for me, oh. The little boy wey dey my hand now to go look for job. Food no dey. My mama no cook anything for house. You spoil show for me. The place where person wey dey give me food steady, you don't spoil show. Huh?
I don't tell him say make I no vex. Say I no go happen again.
No say my person.
I go kill myself. Say I don't talk to but make it no happen. It no go happen again. If it happen again next time, I'll carry me go privacy. I go tell him.
Let me got my house on you.
No problem. I got more eyes on you, my brother. She got more eyes on you. Is it what say make somebody talk through? It's nobody now. It's better they say only the truth can set the real.
Mama Fred, caretaker, I have come to conclusion that you and your son cannot pay for this house. Therefore, I am getting ready to check you out. I'll give you its notice. We are going to leave this place. Now that you still have time, is the faster the better. It's better you go and look for boss. Pack your things out of this place, or you wait. I will do it myself. Since you can't pay.
Oga caretaker, after our meeting last time concerning this rent, I thought of what you told me and I put it into consideration. It's obvious that I cannot afford to pay for another place. I don't have what it takes to afford another house. Knowing too well that to rent an apartment now is very expensive. So I am considering to accept your offer. That's the only thing I can do to retain this house.
Wait. You just said something. You said that you don't have what it takes to rent another house.
Yes.
But I'm telling you today that you have what it takes to keep this one. You see this one you are in? You have what it takes to keep it. So what is there? I don't want you to come and start telling me that you are considering. Tell me you have considered. If you agree, everything will be working. So I don't know.
Okay, caretaker, what will happen is this evening, I'll come to your side so that we can discuss on how to go about it. But Ima now I'm a widow. It's long I did it. So you get a G1.
Don't worry, my dear. You are a widow, yes. And she can a window. At a window. I say widow, I enter from window. Obanye. The thing is that I cannot allow you to come to my door. Do you want people to know that I'm having anything to do with you? You want to cast me? You want to destroy my reputation in this my compound, eh? Don't worry. We'll run it inside your room.
What about my son Fred?
No, don't be waka Jumo. Once he goes out to look for that his unsuccessful job now, piam. Your own is just bath. It's a hand tobo. You will me okay. It's a hand. A tobo like this. Yeah, you know.
Well, it's okay, but you take it easy on me, please.
Easy boy, no, easy boy. I'll be easy on you, oh. In my head, meaning. Aja adubuam. Hichakwa hicha. Wanya kope ya jini unne. Wanya oma.
Maka.
Wanya.
Okay.
Where landlord? Where landlady? Where caretaker?
Come on, you know, I want to come with me. Let it be that I'm still living in this house. I don't have money to pay house rent. Even my son, Fred.
My wife, why are you behaving like this now? Eh? See how I'm begging you as if you are not my wife again.
So you're begging me? You are begging me? When it comes to this thing, that is when you know that I'm your wife. Since I've been begging you, since when I dey beg you, say, may you give me money, make I carry buy uniform, only 10,000 naira. Every other women don't buy their own. Don't let me remain. You say they beg me waiting. Tell me let John.
Mama Bosse, but I have paid for this thing. Eh? I have paid, and it is my right to worship in this ministry. Benny.
Which right? So because you have paid for it, you think you will enter anytime without maintenance? You have to bring maintenance money now. You can't you cannot just jump in anyhow. It needs to be maintained.
Mama Bosse, you see, in that case, I am going to take it by force. Then, tipa, I will take it. Eh?
Come, leave me, John. Stingy man. Oh, you for tell me say what? Oh, you want rape me, Abi?
Rape, okay?
You want rape me, Abi? Okay, come and rape me.
Mama,
come and rape me now.
But it is my right. It is my right. Mama Bosse. Benny.
Right without maintenance. You have to bring maintenance money. It has to be maintained. If not, go and sleep, I beg.
Okay. You know what, Mama Bosse? I will give you this money in the morning. Benny, I promise, I swear I will give you the money.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
I don't want promise and fail. Oh.
Have I ever failed you before?
You have failed me so many times, so.
See.
This one a special matter. You don't go fail for this one.
Mama Bosse. See, don't worry. I promise, I swear. I will never fail you in the morning. I will give you the money. Ìyàwó mi. Ìyàwó mi àtàtà.
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood the hot.
Papa Ebuka. Papa Ebuka. Have you forgotten the money?
Oh! If you did not remind me, I would have forgotten about it. That's it.
Oh, thank you, my husband.
Oh. See, women, whenever you say money, that is when you remember to be romantic.
My husband, am I not always romantic?
Well, you are, but this is peck and hugging this morning is very special. Very. All right, I'll be going.
It's okay. Honey, wait. Hey, you can now go now. But let me tell you, as you're looking handsome now, don't allow any other woman to look at you or you look at any other woman. Because if you do, I will know.
Who is that woman that I will look at or will look at me? Forget them.
Please buy my own clothes for me.
Okay.
So that Mama Bosse will know that I have a good husband.
Mama Bosse, leave me. Let me go to my work. I will slap. I will.
Mama Bosse, see my cheek. Slap me now. Slap me. See my cheek. Slap me. What are you waiting for? What do they wait for? You know what? Slap me again. I mean, give me the money. Give me the money where you promised me last night before I allow you to touch me. Give me the money. You they bring out not. I mean, no waste my time. Oh.
Hey. Bro. Wait. So, are you not my wife again, Mama Bosse? So, after worshiping in the ministry, that's your ministry I sponsor with my hard-earned money. You are now telling me I should come and pay again. Kuku tell me say you don't turn to Ashewo now. So that I will know. I beg, leave me, let me go to my work.
Baba Bosse, I don't care. You can say whatever you want to say. That one no be my wala. The money where you say you go give me. Now in the matter, now be the matter way down ground like this, Now you be the cocoa, the matter way down ground like this, And you know say you never give me money for food though. That one there aside. Now the 20,000 naira where you promise say you go give me. Oh yeah, they bring out. Give me now. Don't waste my time, Baba Bosse.
Wait, so you have now planned for me to go to work late, Mama Bosse. So your plan now is for me to go to that work late and they will not sack me back to the house. To do what? And sit down with you. Kama woju arawa. Mama Bosse, kilo de? Kiwa ma woju enile?
Kilo de, Baba Bosse. Kilo de ni. If they sack you for work, that one no be my palava. Yes. The work where they go, wetin be the difference? Your work is useless to me, Baba Bosse. Yes, it is useless to me. When you cannot bring money, come on 20,000 naira. What say may you give me? You no fit give me. You no go work today, unless you give me the money when you say you go give me.
Mama Bosse, Nisuru right now. Your body go just stay hot.
You know they bring money?
Nisuru.
To bring money, you go dey stingy.
Don't worry. You ti win. You ti win, no? Ma fun e lowo. I will give you money.
They bring
Nisuru. Koto ma shele. Just close your eyes.
For what?
I say close your eyes.
Why I go close my eyes?
If you don't close it, I will return it. Oh, you will not say anything, no? I say close your eyes.
Don't close them.
Close your eyes. Fimisi leko close oju e. Akilode. Remove your face. Remove your face. No, de. Yomileno. Ma goju e pako pako. Nisuru. Nisuru gidi 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 gan. Mumbo.
Don't waste my time.
You waste the time when. Oya, ba. See, I've given you the money. Cook good food. Cook good food.
Baba Bosse! No only 8,000 naira. Wait, this man give. See, man! Baba Bosse! Don't give me the money.
Shegu, you see all those small girls that I used to carry. That is what makes me happy. That is what makes me healthy and enjoying myself. You see, those girls between the age of 16 and 19, that is where God keeps the enjoyment, the ingredients, the minerals men like us need to refresh ourselves, to be healthy. I can never fall sick. Ask me why.
How?
Have you ever seen me fall sick in that compound? That is because of all these small girls that I carry. What is good about them is that they don't demand much money at all. Any amount you give them, they will take and they thank you on top of it. Yes. Not unlike these Akata girls, these old layers that will finish your money. That is why I have enough savings for myself. See, this money I have given my wife 20,000 naira she demanded for her uniform.
Oh, you give your wife that 20,000 naira?
Before uncle. I can never have issue with my wife because I give her enough money.
You mean you gave your wife the 20,000 naira?
Before uncle. She even promised to prepare me my favorite. So when I finished this enjoyment here, I will continue it at home.
Hey!
So I can never be sick.
Is it? See. This morning, my wife, Mama Bosse, she hold me. She hold my clothes that I will not go to work, that I will go late and I will be sacked. You can imagine. But what do? I manage. I just gave her 8,000 naira. I ran away.
Oh, Shegu, you see, your wife is your first port of call. You will first satisfy her. Give her what you want. Then whatever remains, you will enjoy that. Stop with these old women that you carry. That is what drains your pocket. Stop it. Face your wife.
You see, they said one man's food is another man's poison. All these small girls, me, I cannot be toasting them. It will be shameful for me. Yeah. But let me tell you, where my mind is right now is at Caro.
Caro? Which Caro?
Caro, our neighbor now. That is where my mind is. See, I am ready to die for that girl. Caro? I will do anything for that girl. Yes, Benny.
That is why you married the wrestler. Wrestler to be fighting my wife, okay?
What's you? What's you? I did not. See, let me tell you. Put that one aside. Okay. Oh, so, let me tell you. That Caro, I must worship in her ministry. Benny, yes, I will do everything, to worship in her ministry.
Do you think
the Caro I know, we are allowed you to research and navigate into her focus. Into her focus. Easy. I said, you see that Caro? Me, Shegun. Shegeski. Shege. I must worship in a ministry. In a ministry? Boba Sheje. Anyhow it is, I will worship in a ministry. Let's see you do that. Let me talk. Well, it is not always by anything. Okay, look, let me tell you one thing again. Then prepare your grave. You see those men that visit her with posh cars, expensive cars. How do you cope with them? How do you think you can compete with them with this Iheme motor? Is it? It is not by moto and it is not by motorcycle abi keke and kilokwe Anikirija. It is not by that. See, Caro, I must worship in a ministry. Let's see. Chai. Let's see.
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood the hot. Everybody eye the shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you no be your covenant, it go be a day. Which can ya baby this you every day trouble report every day trouble every day na trouble every day if you no find trouble he go find you come every day trouble like which can ya
See this door, you need to fix it. How come they lock himself like this?
I beg you. I beg, check it again.
How can this door just lock like that? Without this thing?
I beg, I'm not thinking about it. Next week, I go give you your money. Hey,
So you do everything possible to pay. I will not take stories from you. I know why I'm telling you this thing.
okay, next weekend I will give you money.
Rita, are you here?
I will pay you your house rent. Yeah. Are you back?
See, let me tell you. Forget the fact that friend here is my friend. You better pay your house rent because no matter, there is no amount of beg that this friend here will beg me that will melt my heart. You must pay your house rent. I know why I'm telling you this thing. Fred, Shebi, you can hear me now.
Fred, my son, please help me and talk to your friend.
No, no, let
him give us some time. Fred.
Fredo. Oh, Chimo. One minute.
I beg, next week, yeah, I will try anyhow way you do. Fred, how you work now? How today work?
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood the hot no. Everybody eye the shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you no want to trouble over
Caro. Nle. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Cousin, see that, Danny?
I'm okay.
It's like you want to go and have your bath in the bedroom.
Of course, what does it look like? You see me on towel and I'm carrying water and you're still asking me if I want to go and bathe.
But show me you. Is the water not too heavy for you? Let me carry it for you to the bedroom.
Baba say, am I complaining? You want to carry it to the bedroom for me as what? So that the whole neighbors and your wife will be saying that I'm trying to seduce you.
No, go to bed now. Caro. Ọmọ gidi. Ọmọ pupa robo. Mama eri, ó mà dùn kẹ́. Ó dùn gan o.
If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you no be your covenant, it go be the caretaker. I wish I had to be this you every day. Trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day na trouble.
Ìyàwó mi àtàtà.
Uncle me. You don't know me.
I have not even opened this food. The thing is just smelling.
It's very delicious. Plenty orishi.
Orishi.
Enjoy your meal.
Hey! Mama Bose, you want to wound me?
I took my time to prepare this meal for you. Enjoy your meal.
You even know my special.
Why I not gonna know? Not be your wife, Andy.
Mama Bose, Kilele, what kind of soup is this?
It's the food I prepared for dinner.
You serve me food without meat or fish. Mama Bose, omi leleyi, omi obe. This is soup, water. Look at it.
Baba Bose, when you were leaving this house in the morning, what did you give me? Did you give me any money? You gave me only 8,000 naira and disappeared. As better woman I still managed from that 8,000 naira. Now take prepare meal like this. I prepare meal where we go eat. And you're still here complaining. You dey lucky say I don't even serve you water as food. Carry sand, pour inside. Serve you as so rishi, make you enjoy am. Stingy food, stingy man. You are expecting a delicious meal, fat meal to eat when you cannot even bring money. You're too stingy even to yourself. Enjoy the meal. Eat and finish. See the rishi. See mama, see plenty meat where they inside. You must enjoy it or you must finish the food. Stingy man. Nonsense. So you have joined them. You have joined those who want to be confused with what that girl is carrying. Eh? I was watching you when you asked her to stand in front of your car while you got her naked with your eyes. Hey, Baba Bose. Baba Bose, they talk to you. Don't worry. Since you cannot control these eyes where God give you, since you cannot control these your eyes, I am watching you. You think I'm not watching you? I dey watch you. I dey watch you. Since you can't control these eyes, I go see where this thing will lead you. I go dey watch you. I go see where it go lead you. Any day when I catch you and Caro, where I hear, where I see you and Caro in any suspicious way again. What? This house not going to enter me and you. This house, it not going to enter me and you. And they talk to you. But as for Caro, me I no get wahala. I no get anything to tell her. But that day, I go show her say I be worried woman. I go tear her. No problem, Baba Bose. Shebi you go come meet me for this house. You know what I said to Baba Bose? Whoa. Now me and you for this house. You go come meet me for this house. You go come meet me. I dey wait for you.
My dear, in as much as we fight every time, I can still advise you as a fellow woman. That thing you did out there is not how to control or monitor a man. Give him space. Men need space. Don't be too obsessed with the fear of Caro snatching your husband from you. No. Nobody is going to snatch your husband from you. A good man can never be snatched. Inasmuch your husband might be admiring her, but she cannot snatch him from you. Okay, let me ask you one thing. What if he sees her on the way and carries her
Will you stop him? No. Though I don't trust my husband, but a good man can never be snatched. So take it easy with him. Eh? Don't control or monitor him like that. A man is always the man. But I want you to learn one thing from me today, that no good man can be snatched. That is my advice to you as a good neighbor and as a mother like you. Thank you.
Everybody blood they hot now. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your covenant, it go be the caretaker. I wish I had to be this you. Every day trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day not trouble.
No.
Mosquito. Kill him, wait up.
If you no find trouble, no, he go find you come. Every day trouble. If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your covenant, it will be the caretaker.
Good afternoon. And listen, I mean, we can take care of this compound after me, na landlord. So they know we're angry with me. I'm trying to
Adamu, wait. You said you know say na you be the caretaker of this compound.
Yes.
After landlord na you. Okay, I don't see your office now. Now, me, I be deputy landlord. So address me well if you want to talk. Talk with you want to talk, make I hear.
Sorry, landlord. Landlord. So, well, later, that thing will happen. Never my doings for. Threat me, well, later, never my doings be that. So, you see, that thing will happen now. I say, make I just look at the woman like this, make I open my eyes small like this, make I see if I will see small. I know you will see and clear. I said, they open my eyes.
Woman nakedness, no clear.
I know clear. Well, I said, they open my eyes like this. They look and inside. And they pick, but they bend down, they look. I need to see and clear. Well,
before I can't catch you.
Before I can see you. I know even see.
Before I can't catch you, no be am I see now you.
No problem. So as I said, catch him. So see, you don't tell when the thing, then they hungry me. Don't tell, you don't fool the thing, you don't play that, you don't fool like this. I say, make I just people and small if I will use my hand, do myself, make I come with.
Bless say the mother. Bless say the Chris. Your blood don't fool. And now for this compound, you want to use your hand to do which nonsense way they talk. You don't know where your people they go. You don't know how also where when they gather, where when people they where you go pay some money. And when he try to pay there. What's wrong with you now? Must you do it in this compound? You try to rubbish here, maybe I paint you all.
Landlord, the landlord, you know, we angry. See. Take this particular one, this more money. Just money.
Before you talk with you want to talk, how did the whole money together? Huh? And to put the whole thing.
Okay.
Put everything together. Then you can talk.
See the Allah. Don't tell anybody for this comfort saying I'm do one. And no one make anybody know. Make saying I'm do one. The Allah help me. Sympathize with me. That won't be angry.
Make I sympathize with you. Your papa die. You go just carry they speak nonsense. Make I warn you. Adam, you see for this compound. The next time where you go put your neck like this for anybody window for this compound, be it bathroom or anything. You see here, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 go rest for your neck.
Okay.
Blood go come out for your mouth.
Landlord. Well, later, if you try him again, make I call me basket. Okay. If you try him again, call me basket. I don't go try him again.
No problem. I don't hear you. First of all, you see this your shop? You go close am for, I suppose make am 2 weeks, but make I do am 2 days.
Hey,
You go close this your shop for 2 days. That one na your first punishment for ever trying to peep somebody for this
hey,
company.
Landlord, if you close my shop, hungry go kill me.
If I slap you. If you want, na police, you go if you go choose between police and hunger, now the one way you go like make it kill you.
Okay, no problem. The hello caretaker make I sympathize with me. Then if I close my shop, hungry
for here. If I see you there 2 days, you will know who I be.
Caretaker.
Adam, move. Foolish. I don't know whether na Sophia you go buy very
Hungry
soon.
go turn my eye like this. They go turn my eye like this. Go turn my eyes like this. I go pop.
Get out from there, idiot.
Get take care. Don't break me, man. I make I forgive me now.
Sharp. 100 naira to chop 18 million. 100 naira to chop 19 million. If I knock am like that for sport, 13 tickets. You no get as one no go enter. Bet Naija. Sporty bet. Bet 002. Now we dey here.
You know, say if they tell me say that you do that, I don't go believe your friends. So you go the people carry up and down. So everybody go hear that thing in this compound. I will expose you.
Can't bring my voice, calm down, man. Why they shout? You want me everywhere in this, and I mean they do that kind of thing for this
Okay, make I
compound.
bring my voice.
Dale, bring my voice, calm down. No one make I
If you
expose
don't want
me.
everybody to hear for this compound, now you know what to do. It's not just to bring my voice, calm down.
Okay, Freddy, we like say I know we better person for this
You
compound.
be better person for this compound. Voila, you be better person. You will go the pick woman, your woman the back. You the people, you be better person. Don't let my man. No,
It's okay, it's okay. Just calm down. This time I never even get anything. Take this one. I see that. I don't brave me now. Make I not tell anybody saying I'm going to do that kind of thing for this compound.
Now you
I
come.
take God, they beg me.
Now you come. Now you don't say we'll be the same person. We'll be one family for this compound.
No.
Make I ask you something. You see anything?
Hey.
You see Carol nakedness?
Which kind of question be that one? Why they ask me that kind of question? See, make I tell me something. Me, I didn't see anything. I say, even they open my eyes like this, make I see, if I will see something. The thing just the blood, you know, clear.
Are you sure? Security conscious. Are you sure you don't see something?
I didn't see
I
nothing.
don't trust this way your body they dig like this. You think they shake up and down. Are you sure you don't see anything?
I didn't see nothing.
I got my eyes on you.
Oh.
I got my eyes on you.
No problem.
I got
I got my eyes on you.
Yeah,
No problem. Security questions. I got my eyes on you. Boy, you don't see what you go. I go time come watch right now. See, you don't go put me for problem now. Which can sugar boys up with this one self? Money something where never you will get since morning. I don't sell some more something now. I don't carry my money. You don't come out and you don't supply like that. This kind of thing, I go try them again next time. You say, you know one race. Well, let till I go cut me come out. Make I rest for this life. Which can sugar boys up with this one?
Yeah, Fredo. You know say you are my friend. You are my right hand man. That is why in this compound I don't used to worry you too much, you and your mother. But I want to ask you, why have you and your mother decided not to pay me my house rent in this house? I want to know. Because you know that I used to give both of you preferential treatment. That doesn't mean that both of you will decide connive not to pay your house rent. What is that? Do you want us to start having problem?
Are we still owing house rent?
Is it? Hello?
I said, are we still owing house rent?
What is the meaning of that talk? When last did you pay your house rent? Your house rent that is heading to 8 months now. Is it not 7 to 8 months that is heading to now? Which one is, are you still owing house rent?
I can't remember. I can't remember whether me or my mother is owing house rent in this house.
That means say you get memory loss now. You don't lose memory.
Listen, I'll go caretaker or whatever they call you. Please, you don't want me to remind myself of what I don't want us to discuss.
Didn't they worry you? No, what be that thing that you don't want to remind yourself? What is that? What be that? What's that?
Oh, you want us to discuss it before Oga Livinus, the owner of this house?
You say?
You want us to discuss it before Oga Livinus, the owner of this house?
You see that small privilege that I gave to you now? Do you see where it has gotten us to now? Because I gave you the opportunity to speak with Oga Livinus on the phone the other day. Now, small thing now, you're asking me, do you want us to talk to Oga Livinus? If to say I did not link you to the landlord now, will you have mouth to be talking this nonsense now?
Is it because I'm giving you this?
Eh?
You're powerless, oh. Huh? Is it because I'm giving you this?
What's going on here?
Is it because I'm giving you this?
Come on, hey, Fred. Why are you standing up?
I want to leave now.
You want to walk out on me? Okay, sit down there also. Sit down there because I'm playing with you. Don't you know that I am a police or I'm a caretaker? In fact, deputy landlord. I'm also a police officer. I can decide to chase you and your mother out of this house now and nothing will happen. In fact, I can go as far as arresting, detaining you and your mother, throw you into the behind bars and throw away the key. What's wrong with you?
Alright. If you detain my mother, you never see any woman who sneak into her room and lie on top of her bed.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. I got my eyes on you. I got my eyes on you.
Jesus. Jesus. Does this boy know anything about me? No, I can't believe this. I don't want to believe this. Jesus Christ. What did this boy just talk now?
Eat more. If you want more, I will bring for you. Yeah, it's okay. Don't be there. Shege. This one, you are so quiet. What's the problem, man? You are not enjoying yourself.
Is it?
Eh?
It's like I will have to leave the two of you here to enjoy yourself.
Oh.
The more I stay here, it's like I will enjoy myself. So I have to go.
All right. I will soon join you at home. I will join you later. Don't worry. I will be here and keep enjoying yourself. Keep enjoying. Drink.
I will see you later.
No, make you bring him coffee.
No, this one is okay. It's like your friend doesn't want to get his own girlfriend.
Don't mind him. His size is not here. He used to carry those bulldozer size, oversized. Since we are enjoying being not here, you know, like that is why. Yeah, don't worry. Keep enjoying yourself.
My husband.
You're
welcome.
Yes.
You came back very late. What happened? Even Shegu has returned since.
Yes, I know. We are not in the same department. Is it not that my manager? He's told me to stay behind for extra work. That manager is giving me a headache. One day I will challenge him.
This challenging is not accepted. Please. You know that man is your manager. And you don't need to challenge him, please. Or do you want to lose that job you're managing now? Bikokwa.
You see, that man wants to use me extra without paying much.
It's okay. It's okay.
Anyway, that is by the way. Okay. I bought you this thing.
My husband, every day you must buy me something.
Banana, some other things.
That is why I am proud of you, my husband.
You see, I want my wife to look fresh and succulent for me.
I am proud of you, my husband.
All right.
Come, let me go and give you water to bed.
Okay.
Oh, baby, why are you still not cheerful? What is the problem? Talk to me. Why are you quarreling with that woman? Because I noticed the other time I came to your place, the way she was just looking at you like someone who is owing her. Are you owing her? What is it, my love? Talk to me now. I don't like the way your face is.
Don't mind that idiot. That woman is just a troublemaker. Can you imagine the other day? I was late for work. I decided to join her husband to work. But she kept dragging the man as if both of us were struggling for her husband. So today, I wanted to let her know that first to do, no they pay. That's why I did what I did.
Oh, very correct. Do me, I do you, no they pay.
Well, that woman has been disturbing your babe. I've seen enough in that compound. Yes.
That is very, very bad, oh. That is very, very bad. Don't worry. Very, very soon, we will leave that compound for them.
Really?
Yes. I mean, very, very soon, we will leave that compound for them.
Thank you, baby.
Please don't associate yourself with that kind of woman, oh, because she can even poison you, sir.
Me?
Seriously.
Associate myself with that stupid woman? It's not possible. I cannot.
That kind of person can even poison you.
I know, but I won't.
I told you, baby.
Shall you see? Eh? Because of your wickedness and trouble, your quarrel, we have missed an opportunity to join Carol and her friends. Eh? Now, we have missed an opportunity to go and see my friends. What will I tell them? Eh? What will I tell them?
But we would have used a taxi now.
Taxi? Which taxi? Which taxi, Mama Bosse? Your wickedness, trouble, and quarrel all the time now has caused all this. Do you know how long it will even take us to get that taxi? Continue your wickedness, so just continue in it. I don't blame you. Look at you.
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry now. It's just our car that refused to start. How is that my fault?
See, it is your wickedness and your troublesomeness that denied us this opportunity to join Carol and her friends. Besides, I don't have anything to tell you. Look at you.
It's okay now. Said I'm sorry.
Look at you. Now I cannot go again. I have missed the appointment. I have missed it.
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood they hot now. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana.
Baba Bosse! What for me low on job? Give me money for food too. Give me money, I beg. Give me money. What is your problem? Maybe you don't want to give me money now. You don't want to give me money to prepare food that we are going to eat. What if your wahala? What if your problem? Maybe if you come back now, you will now demanding for food. You go one make I give you waiting, make I give you sand, I be water, I be you go eat me. Now me you go eat. You go eat me, Baba Bosse. Give me money, who I go carry school food. Give me money, who I go carry school food. Baba Bosse. What you when you come back now, you go want eat food. I mean, which food you want eat if you don't give me money to cook? I mean, give me money, Joe.
What is going on here? What is happening?
I mean, let me talk to them. Let me talk to Baba Bosse. You know what? Give me money for food. Waiting be a while, waiting be that. Huh. See, man, when of you give money, small money, chicken money. Waiting be that. Small money, what carry, make I carry prepare food. The same food where eat to go eat.
Madam,
waiting be a while, what kind of a man are you?
Okay, what is going on? No problem, madam. You know what will happen. Leave him, no problem. I will talk to him. Trace me like Tracy Bank. I will talk to him.
Talk to him, oh.
I
know what thing I'll do to you. I go just put water inside. I go put water inside plate.
Leave him, madam. Leave him.
Water.
Just come on.
Let's go. May you drink water.
Go,
I
madam.
understand you go chop. Which one you go chop? Now water didn't understand who I go serve.
Madam, it's okay.
Now water go give you a understand.
Madam,
tell me the one who I go serve you, Baba Bosse.
It's okay,
I don't go leave me. Go give me money. You go give me money, Baba Bosse. You go give me money. Okay. Give me money, I don't go leave him.
Why then you leave him? Go, leave him.
You said it. See this man there, very stingy man.
Leave him. Sorry, leave him. You're a full grown up man, but they fly in my vein.
Baba Bosse, maybe if you come back, you go want eat food, Abi. Okay, if you come back, now you go eat when you come back. Don't worry. Don't worry.
It's not good now. Give her money for food, make her cook food where I go chop, and then go give her. Why they do like this now? It's not good, wow. Which kind of woman is this one? Every time I talk with they fight because of food. Check the ones that quail. Why should they hankle? Shaka. Benza! How about now? Scan for me yourself. Family problem. Say somebody there. What you got? Your professional hunting one. They hold up like this. They drag him. We won't kill him. Honorary for money for food. Check the ones that quail. Why should they hankle? Benza! Let's my identity. Let's go.
You see that karaoke, eh? Now me and now for this compound. You see that karaoke, eh?
Stop beating me.
I go shout for this house. She do something, my husband no fit give me money. Wetin I go do her, eh? She go use her eye, see her ear. The battle line has been drawn. The battle line has been drawn. If she thinks she can disgrace me and go scot-free, if she thinks she can cause problem between I and my husband and go scot-free, not with me. Bukola, Mama Bosse, not with me. I no go gree am at all. I no go gree am. It can never happen.
Bukola, why are you stressing yourself? Why? Why are you calling for battle? Why can't you let Carol be and focus on your husband? She refused you entering her boyfriend's car, same way you refused her entering your husband's car. That is 1-1. Why are you drawing battle line between you and her? Why? Whatever you do, that's your problem, not my problem.
Hey, make it be my problem. Make it be my problem, Mama Ebuka. Look, I have said it. And I am standing on it. Yes. The battle now, my battle now. The fight now, my fight. I don't beg anybody to fight with me. I don't beg anybody to back me to win. See that Carol? Who does she think she is? Who does she think she is? Because say the boyfriend gets car. She thinks say she can step on my feet and go scot-free. She thinks she can do anything and go not be like that. She no fit go scot-free. I no go leave her home. It no fit happen.
Bukola, thank God you said the battle is your battle.
Not my battle.
The problem is your problem.
Not my problem.
Okay, carry your battle and carry your problem. God.
Go! Now so you gonna do like this. You gonna do like this. Omo Igbo, you know fit dey straight. You gonna do like this. You gonna meander. Abeg come out. Come out, Jare. Make I no see your leg from her. I go cut am.
If you no want to trouble for here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your co-tenant, it go be the caretaker. I wish I had to be this you. Every day trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day not trouble. Every day if you don't find trouble, it go find you come. Every day trouble. Now which can you dey be this son? Every day trouble, report.
Hey, Carol babies. Press. Good afternoon. I get them for gonorrhea medicine. I get them for typhoid. I get them for malaria. Carol babies. This one touch my head. Carol babies.
Adamu.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. We are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, my brother, I get them for malaria. I get them for gonorrhea. I get them for HIV. Which one I want?
Adamu.
Well done.
My baby doesn't need any of those because he's a clean man. Yes.
You know, I say, guy one, they walk out open and then they change them for different things. No. I need something where I go take wash myself with them.
No, I'm not sure he does. He doesn't need that. Come here, baby.
Oh! This one, that's too many girl. That's too much hate you. I know, baby. My brother. Sorry, my brother. Oh, life. Can never be better with poverty for this life. Poverty can never be well with me.
Baba Bosse, where you coming back from by this time of the night? And I know you didn't go to work. And you still came back late. I am asking you, where you coming back from? You have refused to tell me, Abi? Okay, oh. Okay, no problem. I know where you're coming back from. But there's no problem. No wahala, oh. Since it is the way you have decided to live your life, I'll just leave you to it. No problem. Anyway, I prepared your meal. Even say you don't give me money to prepare food, I still manage to cook food. Eh? Let me get your meal so you can eat.
Hey, see, let me tell you. I don't want your food. Look at my mouth very well. Did I put water in my mouth? Keep your food to yourself.
You don't want my food? Wait, has it gotten to that extent that you have started rejecting my food? What is it, Baba Bosse? What is it? What's the problem?
See.
Let me still get the food for you, please.
I say I don't want to eat. Donny. It is not by force.
Well, if you don't want to eat, I will eat my own.
Just leave me alone.
Baby, please.
Fimisile,
What is it?
You see your life, woman? Leave me alone now. Leave me. Just leave me this night. Let me sleep. I don't have time for this your problem. What is it now? Kilo de go.
Baba Bosse, are we not supposed to be like man and woman? Huh? Please now. Baba Bosse, I don't understand you. You totally have changed since you came back home this night. You changed. I don't know the woman who got you satisfied. That my husband cannot touch me, refuse to eat my food, refuse to even touch me. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong.
You see your life? So really I hear back. You see your life? In fact, all you think with this your brain is what this woman has done to your husband, this and that and this. Sure, just take your time. In fact, the other time, you made us to lose an appointment. All because of your bad attitude. Look at you. See, I don't have time for you at all. If you touch me again, you will regret ever knowing me as your husband.
Carol, you say the kind of problem wey dey cause between me and my husband this night. Don't worry, oh. Na me and you for this compound. I go show you, Carol. Mama Ibuka, see what happened yesterday. My husband refused to eat my food. He even refused to touch me after making several attempts to seduce him. Before he dey comot, I beg him. I say, oh, call me. For me, oh, make give me money, make I carry cook. He not even look me. He ignored me. He left. I still use my money, cook the food. The food where we chop. I serve him food. He no gree eat. My husband no gree eat my food. He even come dey tell me yesterday, saying the verse for me, say na me make am wey will come miss the appointment wey we suppose go the other day. Mama Ebuka, I dey vex so. I dey vex. See wetin this lady Carol, the wahala wey she dey bring between me and my husband. You dey see am? You dey see am oh? Shey you dey see? Before now I go say Yoruba woman, she too dey make trouble. You dey see am now?
Bukola, all these things you have just said, how does it concern Carol? How is it that Carol is the reason your husband refused to eat your food and touch you? I don't understand.
You're asking me. I told you what happened the other day now. You're still asking me. Hey, Mama Ebuka. You're still asking me as if that will not be wahala. Say my husband refused to eat my food, refused to even make love to me. Is that not enough? Is that not enough? And they ask you, they look me.
Bukola. Well, I still not see how it concerns Carol. Yes, that your husband's car broke down and Carol refused her boyfriend to carry both of you. Wouldn't you have found another means of going? Eh? No, answer me.
I told him, oh. I told him let us use taxi, but he refused.
Why?
He said he does not like to enter taxi. The other time he tried, the taxi broke down on the way and he was robbed. But that one no be the matter. The matter wey I want make you help me reason. Now that Carol, she don't cause a lot of problem already in this compound. In this house, this compound where they see like this, Carol don't cause a lot of problem. And you know. Abi, you no know you, they look me like this. I won't deal with them. And I won't make you help me. I won't make you support me. Make I deal with them.
Okay, Bukola. I'm going. When you are ready.
Okay, like say you don't understand what I do talk. I'm telling you.
You've come again. Which one is your crush again?
Carol, which one have come again? You called me and you say I've come again.
That's not what I mean now. Which one is crush
But
again?
you know in my heart you're my crush. But that's by the way. So here I am now. Do whatever you wish to do with me. Carol, you're enjoying only you in this house.
Right. See these books here. They're for Bossy. I want you to help me do her assignments. You know, I've had a whole lot of stressful day today. My mind is not just settled to do anything.
Carol, that woman is the most troublesome of this compound. Why did you get close to her to this extent?
Right, I did not say Mama Bossy. I said Bossy. Are you going to do it or not?
Mama, I will do it. But you know now. You know, on one condition.
Just do it. I'll give you food. That's the only thing you're good for.
I didn't mean like that.